Hey, what's up YouTube? So today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the GoPro Hero7 Black. So these go for about $400, but I got this from Best Buy, and I got it for a cheaper price from price matching the same price from Amazon. So we got like a piece of paper, it talks about warranty, cloud backup, and you get like discounts from the GoPro website. So it comes with 2 GoPro adhesive mounts and also a charging cable. So only the GoPro Hero7 Black comes with a replaceable battery. I wouldn't recommend the white or the silver, only because it doesn't have a replaceable battery. Okay, so right here I was trying to figure out how to take the GoPro off, and it took a while, but you have to pull that latch up, the middle latch up, and then squeeze those two right there, those 2 clamps together, and then you have to like push out. So apparently the GoPro Hero7 Black comes with a cage, and how to remove that cage is the manual you see in the first part. It took me a while to figure this out, but it's like a latch, so you just kind of like pull back and the latch will come right off. After taking that off, it's pretty much self-explanatory. One thing to know about the memory card: if you want to shoot in 4K, you need a 4K memory card. So when you start it up, it's gonna ask you to select the language, and after that, you just press agree. Then it will ask about your location and your GPS. Then finally, it'll tell you to install the GoPro app. When you download the app, it'll tell you to connect to your GoPro. However, there's one main issue for other people as well, is that when they try to download the app and connect to the GoPro, it wouldn't really update for them. It's very easy to use, it's really simple. Just swipe down if you want to go to your settings, but everything else is very straightforward. I'm not going to go into detail of all the features. I was mainly messing around with it, figuring out all the settings. So here's what I shot with default settings. This is at 30 FPS. I'm not sure about the high image quality. The ratio is at 4:3. So you want to change the ratio to avoid these black boxes that you see on the side. You want to use the 4:3 ratio setting if you're like doing videos for Instagram or any app that requires the square type video. And you want to set it to 69 if you're using more like film quality, like YouTube or making a short film. Overall, this camera is a pretty good camera. I have a few complaints regarding the app that comes with it. It's really bad. It can't even update till this day. Yet you can still use some of its features, and that's great, but it would definitely need a working app to come with it. And also the battery life. The battery life is pretty bad. So my recommendation is to get an extra battery or a few battery packs that charges your phone, and you can just pretty much charge your camera.